Yeah, so I think that the reason that I understand how great the service was that I got from Bruce Blaylock and his other attorneys was because I had a attorney that was insufficient and just wasn't great. And when you get something bad, it makes you appreciate and understand how a great attorney, could be, and how much you enjoy, great, professional and great service. The number one reason that I hired Bruce Blaylock to represent me is because I had prior counsel that I thought was insufficient and didn't take my injuries seriously. They, I think they were just in it for the percentage that they received out of my settlement. And so they referred me to a therapist or to a rehabilitation center that I thought was insufficient, and that they were in cahoots in trying to expedite your treatment so that the settlement could proceed and get started quickly and be resolved quickly. And I was telling a friend of mine's about it, or a family friend of mine's about it, and she referred me to you. And from the beginning, I could see that you guys were very attentive and that you really, really wanted to help me. You guys were very knowledgeable. You answered a lot of the questions that I had that weren't previously answered with my previous attorney. And it just seemed as though, your concern, and it was genuine. It was really genuine, and it was definitely needed and on point at the time. I was dealing with some physical issues that were stopping me from working, and just had me a little off kilter from my normal routines and daily activities. Bruce's secretary Maria was phenomenal. She responded sometimes within an hour. Any questions, if they did not know, was responded to you within a 12 to 24-hour period. Constant emails, constant phone conversations. Bruce actually gives out his cell phone number, which you don't really see happen in a lot of situations when you're dealing with attorneys. They make you call and talk to a third party. But anytime I left any messages or text them or anything, it was immediate response and rapid response to my complaints. I think that they got me a really decent settlement on top of the physical portion of it that I needed, the physical therapy. I was also referred to an orthopedic surgeon, which wasn't even in question when I was previously dealing with that other attorney, and it was seamless. The response, my physical therapy, my settlement, it was so seamless. It was very easy. I didn't have to do much. All I had to do was show up and get help, and you guys handled the rest. It was awesome, and you made it very easy for me to not have to do as much with the previous counsel. It was just like, I come in here, I talk to you, I tell you my issues, and you made it very, very easy for me to get out the agreement with that attorney and to enter into one that I thought was more beneficial for me.